Here are the top 5 reasons why you and everyone else should be practicing mindfulness right. Hi, I'm Brooke, an educator and librarian turned yoga and mindfulness advocate for humans of all ages. Be sure to check out my free training linked below, How to Turn Meltdowns into Mindful Moments. Number 1, mindfulness improves your mental health. Practicing mindfulness reduces stress, anxiety, depression, and a host of other negative emotions. It also helps increase your focus, attention, and your overall well being. Number 2, mindfulness increases your physical health. Research shows that mindfulness has a positive effect on our physical health, such as reducing blood pressure, improving sleep quality, and reducing chronic pain. Number 3, mindfulness improves relationships. Mindfulness practices help improve communication, compassion, and empathy in our relationships. It also helps increase our own self awareness and understanding of others. Number 4, mindfulness increases your resilience. The practice of mindfulness helps us build resiliency and emotional stability, which can help us cope with difficult situations and maintain a positive outlook. Number 5, mindfulness promotes happiness. And who doesn't want to be just a little more happy? Mindfulness can help us to be more present in the moment and to appreciate all of the simple things in life. This all leads to greater happiness and greater fulfillment in our lives. So, what are you waiting for? Get started practicing mindfulness today. Browse around Yogi Squad's YouTube channel and find something that suits your fancy. There's something here for everyone. See you next time, yogis.